Tree diagrams. Tree diagrams. Tree diagrams. Whenever we think limitless potential, we think tree diagrams. When we use tree diagrams, we calculate the number of possible outcomes of an event, such as spinning a wheel or picking a random item from a bag. Let's start off with an easy task. How many possible outcomes are there to flipping a coin? We know that we only have two possible outcomes. You either get heads or tails. But what about the possible outcomes getting twice in a row? To find the possible outcomes, we construct a tree diagram. So our first flip are either going to be heads or tails. So if our first flip is heads, then our second flip has two options. And again, those options are heads or tails. And the same goes if our first flip lands on tails. Our second flip has two options again, either heads or tails. So now our completed tree diagram will help us to find the exact number of possible outcomes for this scenario. One outcome is heads, heads. The second outcome is heads, tails. The third outcome is tails, heads. And the fourth outcome we have left is tails, tails. So if we all count the outcomes, we currently have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
In tree diagrams, we can also use them to figure out how many different combinations exist. For example, I'm on a summer vacation. I've only packed up 3 shirts, 2 shorts, and 3 shoes. And what you can do is you can draw the branches out, yes, but there's a shortcut to this. Instead of drawing out the branches to figure out how many combinations you have, and that is by multiplying all the values you have. So I have 3 shirts, 2 shorts, and 3 shoes. I multiply them all together and I get 18. And that is how you figure out how many combinations exist in a tree diagram.